Oof. There we go. Hope I didn't break it. And then we have it out. Hello and thank you so much for joining me today for another exciting episode of unboxing. This is Maxi Limit. Today we are going to be looking at the brand new Microsoft Surface Pro Signature type cover. This will fit the Surface Pro, the Surface Pro 5, Pro 6 and Pro 7. So as you can see, this is coming in the red poppy color. That's the brand new one that came out with the Microsoft Surface Pro. And as you can see, we also have the Microsoft Surface Pro here. I have already done the video, the unboxing video for this product. So again, I'll be putting the link in the description below and a card somewhere and on the screen. So if you have not yet watched my unboxing, I highly recommend you to go and do so. This is the brand new Microsoft Surface Pro 7 2019. So we are not going to be covering this today though. We are just going to be using this device in order to connect the keyboard into it. So let's put that on the side for the moment. Let's put it here and focus on this one. So as you can see, the color is really bright. It's amazing. Let me turn off my light a little bit here. There we go. So you can see the color, it's amazing and is very bright, and then it's a red poppy color. This one, I don't remember how much I got it for. So as you can see, we are going to be doing the unboxing, and then let's crack it open. So basically it's a keyboard. I don't know yet how it feels like, but we are going to dig in and find out. As you can see here today, few information about the keyboard. Nothing too exciting about the box here. There's nothing to say about it. The most important thing is to crack it open. All right, let's see if I can find the opening here. Oh, I found it. It's right here. So we just need to lift this up and then peel it. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of hard. You're gonna peel it out like this. Ooh, it's stuck in there. Okay, here we go. And once that is done, I think maybe you have to lift it up, I guess. Ooh. There we go. Hope I didn't break it. And then we have it out. So a few instructions inside the box. Well, it tells you how this works, but today we are gonna find out together. So we're gonna put the box inside and now see the keyboard itself. It is really amazing. At the back, nothing. It is really soft. It looks like a cloth or something like I don't know. It's just, I cannot describe it. It just feels so good, so soft. It is solid. Yeah, kind of plastic. I think there's plastic inside or something like that. But other than that, yeah, it feels very good. Yeah, the response is good. It responds very good, and then the key rejection is good. Is also good. Noise, yeah, kind of a little bit noisy though. Yeah, but other than that, that is what we could expect, right? Let me see the price. I don't know if I have the price in the box here, but I do not have the price. I'll be putting the price tag down in the description below, so you can go and check it out. So this is the keyboard. As always, we do not have the numeric part, so you have to use these ones here. And we have this is just a basic keyboard, don't we? Yeah, it's flexible, only the top part. We have the connector, and that is it. So let's put this on the side as well, and now take the tablet out. guys, I highly recommend you to check this unboxing out, the unboxing for the tablet. All right, there we go. So I have the tablet, a little bit fingerprint on it, but let's not worry about it. As you can see at the bottom of the tablet, we do have the connector. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 connector. That will go against the 6 connector that we have on the keyboard. Obviously, if I put it on and I don't put the stand on it, it's gonna fall. So we have the stand at the back of the device. We're gonna use this stand. Here we go, and we're gonna put it on like this. So let's turn it on and let's try to set it up. Power button. There we go. I believe I already set this thing up. Let's see. I hope I set it up already. There we go. So the computer does just turn on, and as you can see, we have some backlight. I can see some light inside already. I don't know if you can see it, and yeah, I think we cannot turn the backlight off, but it's there. Yeah, we can turn it off. No, we cannot. I'm pressing F7, but it's not turning off. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's kind of too bright in the studio right now, but yeah, but the backlight is there. I can tell you for sure. And then it's automatically working. We don't need any sort of connection. You see, when I press the window, it goes right into it, right? And then I can even do shortcuts. Control E. Let me see. Yeah, you see, it opens the file explorer. The tripod is good. It clicks. Yeah, you can feel it. Now, yeah, it's slow, but I mean it's small, but you can have the right click and the left click. Both are working, so that is good. You have the right click and the left click. The left click is good there. So. And then you can always press the middle. The middle will default to the right click. So right click, you can go middle, up, all the way. Or no, the top. Oh, it clicks. It's a little bit. It's hard, but it clicks actually. The left is good. So to have your right click, you have to go really on the corner here, which is very, very, very good. I'm really impressed with the quality of it. It's not that, yeah, it is, it's amazing though. The feelings is very, very great. The color, I don't know if you can see the color on my camera here, but it is really amazing. Yeah, I can tell you it's good. What else to say? This is just a keyboard. There's really nothing to say about it. And then yeah. So let me see if I close it up. This is how it looks like, right? It is. Yeah, this is just how it is. It fits perfectly. That's why they said it's for the 6. It's for the 5, Pro 5, Pro 6, and Pro 7. And then back cover, so you can see it covers it. And then I always wanted to try something. Can I lift it? So we have actually 2 magnets. We have this magnet, you see, one here and then one at the bottom. Let me see if this can hold it up. Yeah, look, it can hold it. It can hold it. I'm just, yeah, it's very, 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 very strong. And now when you close it, it does close. You have, yeah, when you put it up, the computer wakes up, and when you close it, the computer goes to sleep. And yeah, that's it. This is gonna conclude today's unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And we have actually the Microsoft sign here. This is amazing.